Hello friends. So next question on PLE same, that is how to determine whether there is a problem with the PLE, that is page life expectancies. So PLE, there is a problem basically that is just depend on the load and the we can say that the query and all. So that is if the PLE goes down below 300 seconds, then this is a problem. There is a load. So that is we can say that is the first stage to determine that PLE. So functionally PLE is normal because it is based on the workload. Okay, tracking high average and low trend can use, so whether certain process like table scanning or flushing the buffer cache need to be tuned to improve PLE. Okay, a good way to determine if there is a problem with the normal PLE value range drop and stay low. This indicates there is a like of increasing demand of the pressure of the buffer pool, means memory, and okay below than 300 and all. So this is the way how can we determine there is a problem in the PLE. Basically that is you have to just see the graph. We have to just use the performon, and in performon you have to just see that page life expectancies, that is how the range or the of that PLEs goes, and up and down, and what is the value. Okay, so on basis of that we have to determine. Okay, so this is the basically answer of that question, that is you have to just check that performance and add the counter select PLE, and also you can check from that SQL server buffer pool and all. Okay, thank you for watching.